how much 0.5 molar HNO3 is necessary to titrate 25 milliliters of 0.05 molar calcium hydroxide solution to the end point. So here we have a 2-to-1 mole ratio, 2 moles of acid to 1 mole of base. And so after that whole cross multiplication, this is the equation that we came up with in the instructional materials. So we're looking for how much, so that's the volume of the acid. So let's see, 2 times the concentration of the base, 0.05 molar, times the volume of the base, 25 milliliters, over the concentration of the acid, 0.5 molar. And I get 5 milliliters, which is answer choice B.